Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Fox Android. So in today's video, what we're going to learn is how to pass data from one activity to the another activity. So this thing is useful when you process something, right, and you get a result out of it and you want to use that result in some other activity or something like similar to this. So this is what we're going to learn, that how to pass data from one activity to the another activity while we switch from one activity to another. So if you can see on my mobile screen, there are three text input fields like data1, data2, data3. Now if I put some data in this and press on pass data button, then it will go to the second activity and the data which I've entered in these input text fields, right? So that will be displayed on the second activity. So let me first put it here, Fox Android, then I'll put Robin, then I'll put Abhay, right? If I click on pass data, here you can see data 1 is Fox Android, data 2 is Robin, and data 3 is Abhay. So we have successfully passed that data from the first activity to the second activity. Now let me quickly check something else. Shamaya, Avni, Purva. I click on pass data. Okay, that data is also passed to this activity. So this is what we'll be achieving by the end of the tutorial, right? So without much ado, let's get started. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so you receive the notification for the future videos. And by the end of the video, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So here you can see this is the layout for the first activity, right? There are simple three text input fields and one button, right? And in the second activity we have these three text views, right, and one button. So once we click on this button on the first activity, we'll go to the second activity and the data will be displayed here that has been passed from the first activity, right? So there's nothing fancy in the layout or the XML file, right, the front end. So we'll quickly dive into the backend code and I'll be explaining how to do all this stuff, right? So first I'll write down all the code, then I'll be explaining what we have done, right? So guys, here we are done with the backend code of the main activity. So I'll quickly explain this. So here we have made the reference variable for the text input fields, three variables, right, and the variable for the button. So here we have referred these three text input fields and the button. Then we have attached the on click listener to the button, right, the pass data button. Then we have got the data that is entered by the user in these strings data1, data2 and data3. Now the data entered by the user is there in these string variables, right? So here for switching to other activity, this is the normal procedure. We have made the intent object pass the context of this activity and the second activity as well, right? So this is the main code. If you want to send data to that activity for which you have made the intent, you'll simply call the method put extra. This the first argument will be the key. The key is used in the second activity when you're sending 5 6 data. So to receive a particular data, you'll refer to this key, and accordingly you'll get this data, right? When you refer to data 2, then this data will be received, and similarly with data 3 this data will be received. So I dot put extra, the first one will be the name of the data. You can enter anything according to your application. As this is data 1, so I have entered data 1, right? You can enter ABC or anything else XYZ. So similarly data 2, data 3, and here I have passed the data. Then we have called start activity method and the finish method, right? So with this the data will be passed to the second activity. Now we will be saving this data in the second activity. So I'll write down the code for the second activity as well, then I'll be explaining the code, right? Okay guys, that is the code for the second activity as well. So here we have made the text view variables for this, for these three text views, right? And we have made the variable for the button as well. So here we have referred all the layout elements like text view and the button. So here we have got the data from the first activity. This is just a constant string, right, that I'm concatenating. So this is the main code. So get intent dot get extra dot get string. So when you call this function and pass the key here, as we have passed this, set this key. So when I pass data 1, so I'll get the data that is passed here, right? So similarly I'll get data 2 and data 3. So I've concatenated it with data 1, data 2, data 3 to set it into the this activity, right? So here I've set the text. I've set the data 1, data 2, data 3 as data 1, data 2, data 3. These text views, I've set the data in these text views, right? Then I've said this is just attaching the on click listener or activity button to go back to the first activity. So this is the main code, right, to get this data. So now I'll quickly install this app to my cell phone, then we'll see if it is working fine or not, right? So guys, the app has been installed to my cell phone. So now I'll put data here, right? Fox Android, share data, tutorial. If I click on pass data, here you can see Fox Android share data tutorial, right? So I think the code is working fine and we have successfully implemented the code, right? So I hope all the things are clear and you have understood the basic concept behind the code. So if you have any doubt, make sure to mention that in the comment section or you can DM me on Instagram. The username for the Instagram is there on your screen. And the link for the source code of this project is there in the description below, right? So if you understood the tutorial and like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon to receive the notification for the similar videos in the future. So that is it for today's video. See you in another video. Bye.